everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're making that cool flower shape that you see in the thumbnail. First off, let me fix my colors over here because they're all messed up. Right, we want a black stroke and no fill color. Let's grab our ellipse tool and we're gonna make a circle. Now hold down the Alt or Option key, click and drag to make a copy of it. Wherever they align, just release. And there you go. Select both of these circles and duplicate them again. Place them on the bottom over here where they intersect. Now, select all four. Same thing. This time you're going to rotate these 45 degrees and align them to get something like this. Now you can make all sorts of cool patterns and shapes with this technique. You just got to play around with the positioning of your shapes, circles, or whatever shape you want to use. We're going to select all, grab the shape builder tool. I'm going to hold down the Alt or Option key and you see that minus will appear. This is to delete shapes that we don't want. I'm going to delete all these shapes and these inside as well. To get these cool petal-like shapes, I just now pressed Command G to group everything. Otherwise, you can always go to Object and Group. Oops, I forgot a little shape over here. Right. I'm now going to go to the Effect panel, Distort and Transform. This transform effect window will pop up, and you can try out different numbers. I'm going to go for now with 10 copies and then see what it looks like with different angles. And look at all these cool shapes you get. Now you can reduce the number of copies, obviously, if you don't want it to be that chaotic, and change the degree of the angle. But yeah, that's basically how I get these sort of shapes. Look at how pretty this is. Obviously, you play around with the settings. You can get some really crazy cool results and some awesome shapes that you didn't even know how to make. That's basically it. It was really easy. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Feel free to subscribe to my channel and leave a comment if you want to suggest a tutorial for next time. And yeah, I'll see you guys soon. Thanks so much for watching and bye.